Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this site can't be reached. This is a simple process. Firstly, you need to go to the Play Store, and if you're using an iOS, then just go to the App Store. Here in the Play Store or App Store, you have to search for the Chrome Store. Just search for Chrome. If you will see an option to update the app right away. I already did that. After updating the app, you have to go to the Chrome. Go to the home screen, and on the top, you will see 3 vertical dots. Click on them, and you will see the history. Now we will clear the browsing history. Click on Clear Browsing History and go to the Advanced Settings. Select each and every option and choose All Time. After that, clear the data. If this doesn't fix the problem, then you have to go to the settings of your phone. Make sure you have a good internet connection. After going to the settings of your phone, scroll down a little bit and click on Apps. Then go to the App Management and search for the Chrome browser. Here you need to clear the cache by going to Storage Usage. If this fixes the problem, then it's great. But if it doesn't, then you need to manage the space and clear data to free up space. That's it. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video.